Hello everyone. On the screen is the Infinite MLM Unilevel software. Now let's have a look at the admin's dashboard. At the top of the dashboard, there are quick balance icons which shows the e-wallet balance, income, bonus, paid out amount and the pending amount to be paid out. Scroll down a little bit and we can see the income versus commission graph, and on the right hand side there is the team performance chart which shows the top earners and top recruiters. Further going down, we can see the number of users joined in each month of the year, and further down we can see the income and commission information, and on the right hand side we can see all the new members that has joined the business. On the left hand side of the screen there are a number of tabs which shows different information. Now let's check out each one of them. In the network section, it displays the genealogy tree. Now let's have a look at the genealogy tree. This is a Unilevel tree structure, and the other options displays different representation of a Unilevel tree or the genealogy tree. In the sign up tab, we can see the registration page. This is where users bring in their referrals into the business. Again, we have the approval page for the admin, and we also offer a bulk registration feature. In the business tab, it displays all the information regarding the business, the income, the bonus received, the amount to be paid out, etc. You can see all the transactions that has been happening in the software. Let's move to the e-wallet section. Here we can see the total amount that has been credited into the e-wallet, debited, amount debited, the current balance, etc. And again, we can see all the transactions that has been happening. Let's go to the payout section. This is where the admin can see all the payout requests sent by the users. Admin can check and verify the payout request and make the transfer from here. In the profile management section, all users can see their profile. They can edit the details as well. And now for the admin, the members list section displays all the users in the business. Let's move on to the report section. The report, we offer an array of reports by default. For example, let's have a look at the profile. This helps us to choose a specific range of date, and it will display all the users that has joined within those limits. Now let's check it out. We have only one user joined within this range. Similarly, we have joinings, commission, total bonus, top earners, and payout. Moving on to the tools section, this is where the admin can upload materials, and this can be seen by all the users in the business. So the admin can upload images, PDF and other documents, as well as news, and can also upload FAQs. In the settings section, this is where the admin can configure all the activities regarding the software. For instance, let's check out the commission settings. Here the admin can change or edit all these, the fees, tax, service charges, etc. And in the compensation, admin can configure the commissions that are available in the system. Similarly, a lot of things can be configured in the settings page. Now let's go to the last tab, mailbox. This is an internal email section where users and admin can communicate themselves within the software. That is it for the basic Unilevel software. Thank you.